Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be going through how to set up a SMS notification using ClickFunnels 2.0 and Zapier. Now, if you're inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, you do have the option to go in and use something like the Message Hub, where you can then create an inbox with Twilio or bandwidth, but these are paid options. So if you want to create a SMS notification directly inside the platform, you will have to pay for it. There is a way around that, and we're going to be using Zapier to do so. There is an option called Zapier SMS, I believe is what it's referred to as, or what they call it, where you can essentially have a connection between your funnel or from your ClickFunnels account to Zapier, and it will notify you instantly as soon as someone meets whatever criteria you set there, or whatever event type you're looking for. Now, just as an example, let's say that you are like a real estate agent. Perhaps you're looking for maybe cash buyers, or you're looking for a place to collect leads for sellers, right? All in one area. Or you have multiple funnels, whatever. You just want to be notified as soon as someone has opted in and given you their information, saying, hey, I am ready to go. I want more information about this. Or, hey, I need help right now. I'm ready to sell my home, whatever it is. And you want to be on top of it, right? If you're not, someone else will be, and we're trying to prevent that. So that's the type of scenario that we're really setting this up for. It's just to make sure that you can be notified as soon as someone opts inside of your account here, and you can reach out as soon as humanly possible. Now, inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, what we want to do first is head to the little option down here at the very bottom where it has your actual account name, right? It'll from there show this little pop-up. After that, click on Team Settings, or hover over your team rather, and then click on Team Settings, and it'll take you to this page right here. All right, from there, we just have to click on Developer Portal over here in the left-hand side of the screen. After that, click on Zapier integration. I know it's super hidden here within the text, but just click on this directly. And once you do so, it'll take you to a page just like this. All right, now, if you don't have a Zapier account, awesome, no problem. Just create one for free on this page. This setup that we're going for is free. You don't have to pay for it. It does limit you at like 15 per hour, 15 notifications per hour. So if you have a crazy influx of people, opt in all the time, fantastic, good for you. You're killing it. If that is the case, then you will have to pay for like something like Twilio or bandwidth instead of going this route. But this is going to be okay for most people, right? But anyways, if you're under that mark, under 15 submissions per hour, 15 notifications per hour, then you'll be good to go, and everything will fire as intended. But anyways, make sure you're signed in, sign up, and after that, click on Connect ClickFunnels to 6,000 plus apps. All right. After that, it'll take you into your Zapier account, and all we have to do is go over here to the event option. By default, we're already in the setup process for this new Zap inside of your account. From there, we'll click on events, and the one I will likely go with in this situation is going to be contact identified. Right. So if someone opts in, whether it's a new contact or an existing contact, either way, when they opt in, it will still trigger this actual workflow or automation that we're creating here. Okay. Now from here, we have to go in and hit continue, and then connect the actual account. Go ahead and hit authorize, and after that, it'll take you back into the Zap just like this, right? And the last thing we have to do is make sure that we are testing this properly. Everything is being pulled from your account. It'll show some test data here in a second, and we just have to verify that it's pulling the right information. All right, so far we're good to go. That is correct on my side. Just make sure that you're seeing something that is actually coming through or has come through inside of ClickFunnels to make sure that it is pulling the right information. All right, after that, go ahead and click on continue. For this particular setup, we're going to type in Zapier, just like that, Zapier. And what we're looking for is SMS by Zapier, right? Click on that directly, and we're gonna go ahead and choose the event for this guy now. And it's gonna be send SMS, it's the only thing it does. And we're gonna click on continue. All right, we'll go ahead and hit continue here. Now, if you don't have an account, just simply click on this little sign up button or sign in, and it's going to essentially just verify your phone number, right, to make sure that it's a valid phone number. And once it has done so, it'll send you a code and everything that you have to verify. Once you've verified that, you'll be good to go, and you'll get a green check mark just like this. After that, just click on continue, and you are good to go. Okay, it looks like one thing to note here is that T-Mobile numbers are not supported, so it has to be anything but T-Mobile. If that's the case, a workaround for that would actually be to set up like a Google number, Google Voice number. That's free. There is a free option there. So that would probably be a good alternative if that's the case for you. Now, for the first drop down, we have to select the from number. In this case, personally, it doesn't really make a difference in my eyes. I usually just go with random because I will know once I see the message itself that this is coming from Zapier and it's sending me a notification about the opt-in, right? So you would likely know as soon as you see the message itself. Now, for the message part, just go ahead and click in there and you'll see a data field here drop down. Basically, this is all the available tags or merge tags that you can use in this message. Something to note here is that you want to make sure that you are using merge tags that you're actually collecting on that page. So if you're not collecting like a first name, don't use the first name guy right here. It's not going to make any sense. It's not going to pull anything. There's nothing no information that is going to be sent over. It will only send over information that's actually collected inside of that page. So for example, if you want to start filling this out and let's say I'm collecting a first name, an email, and a phone number, right? We'll go in here and start typing in first name, and then I will put like a colon just to structure it so I know exactly what I'm looking at. From there, we'll go down to the bottom and click on the exact input that we're looking for, right? Which is going to be that actual first name. Go ahead and hit enter, and we're going to do email. Scroll down, and the one we're looking for is email. Did I scroll way past it? I sure did. Email. There we go. After that, I'm going to hit enter one more time and do phone number. There we go, and then select that merge tag. All right. After that, all we have to do is click out of there and hit continue. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and test the actual step itself. Okay, now we're just waiting for the actual text to come through. So look at your phone, double check, make sure that the message has arrived in your actual inbox there. Now, once that message has actually come through, go ahead and click on publish and you'll be all set to go. We'll see that it'll be lit up green over here. Give it a second or two. All right, and that is it when it comes to setting up this notification. Hopefully it was helpful. If you enjoyed this, if you have any questions or anything like that, just let us know down below. We are happy to help. We'll point you in the right direction wherever possible. Otherwise, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter where we send out different tips and tricks around ClickFunnels Classic and 2.0. Stuff like this, what we kind of covered today, different updates around the platform, all that good stuff. All right, if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate. Just let us know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and we will catch you in the next video.